Hello everybody, welcome. This is DIY Mondays. I know the picture is grainy and everything. I'm trying to get it clearer. That's a little better. I don't have the light down here to make it better. Hold on 1 second. Okay, that's a little better. What I will do in the future, bring my either my phone light or camera light down here, and it will be better because it will be over here. But I did want to show you my DIY station of what I'm doing. At my entire set of paints here, and the noise you hear in the background are the fish tanks. I drain them of water. I fill them up to a certain point, and on Thursday I will show you that. What I'm doing today is working on the DIY Mondays. And all things are possible if you believe, it says over here, which you can't see, but it says it. And I have the station set up, and I'm going to be making something with this. I don't know if I'm going to be putting a fish in here or making a winter scene. This is what we're going to do. We're going to try to duplicate something like this. As you can see, this was made by my son's fiance for us. See it? How nice that is? That was made, so we're going to be making these. If you're interested in something like this, I see how many I can do in a certain amount of time, and we'll put them up for sale starting next month. Whatever. Then we have, like I said, I may put a winter scene in here. I don't know. We're going to stick this up here for now. Out of the way. Okay. This will go over here. We don't need that. I have a whole set of stuff in here. Move my camera over here. You see, in this box, we're going to make Christmas pillows. We have Christmas village ornaments and stuff like that. I'll show you what we're going to do with those. I have different craft knives and stuff, all from Dollar Tree, of course. And these were from Dollar Tree, but I built them, and I'm going to be selling some of these on eBay to go there, and I will let you know when I'm going to have them up at the end of this month. That'll be next week, the last Monday of October. I will announce what's up on my eBay site. As you can see up there, I have other ones in here that I'm working on. In here, this one, putting it together. This one's all white. Have to put the roof on, but you can see, okay, that was painted white. Alright, we have those there, and I'll show you. I'm going to put this back. This is my crafter station. I have all my pens and different things I have to use right here, okay? And of course my scissors, my all the stuff. Push pins. I have every color of paint you can imagine. And of course we'll spray them with Flex Seal. And for Christmas we'll be doing something like this. Okay, we're going to see how we can do that. And then this we got from Dollar Tree also. See it? We'll be painting that, which I painted last year. And then of course we have to finish this. We'll repaint this, go over where it's, and repaint this. And I think it's a piggy bank, but there's no hole for the piggy bank. But we're going to be painting this, and this is candy canes. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they're candy canes here. So we'll be painting that, and I'll be getting the light over the thing, and of course the back. And this is the front with the wreath. We're filling that in, and painting the grill silver and stuff like that. Painting the tires black. Everything. Then we have, not bright enough. Can you see that? Is that better over here? Yes, we'll put that over here. You can see that. So you do see the DIY. And over here, you may think this is a lighthouse. Yes, it is. This is a little birdhouse. It's similar to what I'm going to be making in the yard. Okay? And that's the light on top of it. We'll be finishing painting this. And then we got this one here. Okay? We're painting all these coming up on the station. And if you notice, I got some boards here. They're all the same size. I have another one somewhere. And what we'll be doing is making another one like this to have, which I'll show you right now. This has my birdhouses in it, as you can see, and I'll be selling them. This one is done. This is gray and green, and then brown for the earth. That's one. This one is done, I believe. Yes. That's orange, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's orange and green. They glow. This one I did as a winter scene with the this one. Let's take this out. Gotta get this one out first. Hold on one second. Get this one out this way. There we go. This one is done. This is a thing. Of course, it's not used for birds. It's a novelty item. And I'll be putting hooks in here if you want them. But that's brown, blue, and black. Then we have this one, but not least. And there's some more up there that have to be done. And I have the 3-tier shelf there. This one has to be painted the brown at the bottom, and then it's touched up as well. But you see the idea. Alright, we'll even touch up the green, show you how to do it, and then we'll paint that brown. And they're basically novelty ones. If you want to put them outside, you can. I don't recommend them, but they're nice to have, like in the garden or something like that. And I spray them with Flex Seal, and when you get them, I will tell you, if you do get this, or you can find these in Dollar Tree and paint them yourself. Put lacquer on it once it's done, or Flex Seal or something to cover it. Okay, and as you can see, I have this in here in this 3-tier thing, my extra paints and everything. What I'm going to do with this is, as I did with this one, I have the 3 more birdhouses up here. I have the 3-tier of this, and I will show you how I make the birdhouses. And I don't see them in Dollar Tree. They'll probably come out in the summer if I do find some, or I can go to dollartree.com and get some. I make a tier like this, 1, 2, 3, with these strips of wood right here. That would be going on this side like this, right here, and over here, like that in front of the handle. See? It would go like this. And then it would have the 3 tiers, and it would be glued. And that's what I'm going to be making. If you're interested in that, that's very easy to make. You can make it yourself. I will show you how. And that's DIY Mondays, coming up next week, starting next week. This is the first thing we'll be doing. And of course, here's another house. This is one of my first attempts, but I will be retouching this and putting it up outside on my deck. Next year I have a plan for that. So that's where we are with that. Of course, I have all supplies in here too. We'll put this back up here. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing with these. This is two wood houses. We're going to make a display. Okay, maybe a Christmas display or whatever, a manger or whatever, on the channel going forward. This is just a tease to tell you what we're doing on DIY Mondays. So that's there, and I'll be setting up stuff. So I have that there. I can put these back. This one doesn't go there. This one does. This way, and then this one this way, like this, out of the way. So now I can put this back up here. Right there. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so that's basically it, what we're going to be doing on the DIY Monday channel. Starting next week, go to it and you'll see what I'm also doing with these little cutting boards too. All projects for Christmas coming up, and it's too late for Halloween. Making pillows and stuff like that. And you could do them at home, or if you like one that I have, if I have it up, you can get it. So remember, all things are possible if you believe. You believe you can do something, do it. By all means, try it. You have nothing to lose. But you can do something. I didn't think I could be here doing this, and this is DIY Mondays. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell. Let me know what you think of the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. And this is all foam for my pillows too. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to go to Garden Aquatics Remix, and you'll see other videos there also of remixing videos and prepping projects, DIY projects outside and everything else. This is all stuff that I would do inside, and a house and everything else like that. You'll be seeing that, what I do for Christmas. So I'll see you in the next video. Again, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, let everybody know about the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Next Monday, on DIY Mondays, we'll start painting the birdhouses, and we'll show you what I'm going to do with that little house. Make something. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Bye for now.